What's better than getting fairer skin? Getting it naturally. Today's video will discuss 15 amazing tips and home remedies to become fair. Here we give you 15 beauty tips for fair skin that show you how to get fair skin naturally. 15 ways to get fair skin naturally. 1 lemon is known to be a superior bleaching agent, and scrubbing about half a lemon on your face regularly will help lighten your skin tone. This is one of the simplest yet effective home remedies for fair skin. 2. The juice of 1 potato can be squeezed and applied to your face. Do it regularly, and you will notice a gradual change. Apply the pulp of a mashed tomato on your skin. Not only will it lighten your skin tone, but it will give it a pink glow too. 3. Mix equal quantities of honey and lemon juice and apply it on your skin. 4. Another great natural way to get fair skin is to mix a tiny amount of cinnamon with about half a teaspoon of honey and apply it on your face. 5. If you have oily skin and want to lighten its tone, then applying a mixture of cucumber and lemon juice on it works wonders. 6. Curd is rich in lactic and zinc acid, both of which have natural skin lightening properties. 7. If you want to lighten scars on your skin, then applying fresh coconut water on them really works. 8. A tiny amount of saffron mixed with olive oil is a great natural remedy to make your skin fair. 9. This effective fairness mask requires you to mix a spoonful each of almond oil, lemon juice, and milk powder. Apply the mask on your skin and let it sit for about 15 minutes before you wash it off. 10. If you have dry skin and want to lighten its tone, applying a mixture of honey and cucumber juice on it will make it fairer. 11. Another great way to get fair skin naturally is to apply the white of an egg on your face at least twice a week. 12. This skin lightening face pack requires you to make a mixture of tomato, curd, and oatmeal and apply it on your face. Take a ripe tomato, mash it and add a few drops of lemon juice to it. Apply it and watch your skin tone lighten gradually. 13. Another great way to make oily skin fair is to apply a mixture of milk powder, papaya, honey and milk to your face. Instant fairness tips. Get lighter skin in 5 days. 14. Apply a mixture of milk and banana on your face. 15. Before going to sleep, apply a mixture of raw milk and rose water on your skin. Mix baking soda with water and apply on your face when clean. Let it sit for 15 minutes before you wash it off with water. These natural antidotes to darkening skin combined with a disciplined skincare regime. How to get fair skin naturally? Let me know in our comment section below.